Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder VR on Meta Quest 2. First, connect your Meta Quest 2 headset to your gaming computer. You can use a high-quality USB 3 cable for a wired connection or utilize AirLink for a wireless experience. Make sure your PC has a powerful graphics card, like an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or equivalent, and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for smooth performance. Next, install Steam and Steam VR, which are essential for running virtual reality games. Once your headset is connected and Steam VR is ready, download and install War Thunder from the Steam store. After installation, launch the game. Navigate to the game's graphics settings and enable the virtual reality option. You will likely find this under Display or Graphics. Experiment with settings like texture quality and anti-aliasing to balance visual fidelity with a smooth frame rate, aiming for at least 72 frames per second for comfort. For the best experience, customize your controls. Many players find a joystick or HOTAS, hands-on throttle and stick, setup incredibly immersive for flight combat. Alternatively, a gamepad can also work well. Remember to use your head movements for aiming and looking around, which is a core advantage of virtual reality. Adjust your field of view and other comfort settings to minimize motion sickness, especially during your first few sessions. Take breaks as needed. If you encounter performance issues, first ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Also, keep your Meta Quest 2 software updated to the latest version. If frame rates are low, try lowering in-game graphical settings such as shadows, reflections, or anti-aliasing. Sometimes, simply restarting Steam VR and War Thunder can resolve minor glitches. The War Thunder virtual reality community is a great resource for specific optimization tips and troubleshooting common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.